Ever heard of Vonage? It used to be a big deal in the VoIP world. But with so many new players in the market, you might be wondering if Vonage is still relevant. Today, we're going to dive deep into that question and see if Vonage still holds its ground. Section 1: Vonage's Rise to Fame. Flashback. Let's rewind a bit. Remember the days when landlines were the norm? Vonage came onto the scene as a game-changer, offering a more affordable alternative to traditional phone services. Key features. What made Vonage so popular? It offered features like unlimited calling, voicemail, and call forwarding at a fraction of the cost of traditional phone plans. Customer testimonials. Share a few positive customer testimonials from the early days of Vonage. Highlight the benefits they experienced and why they chose Vonage over other options. Section 2: The Rise of Competitors. New entrants. Over the years, the VoIP market has become increasingly competitive. New players like Google Voice, Skype, and Zoom have emerged, offering similar features and sometimes even lower prices. Market dynamics. Discuss how these new competitors have impacted Vonage's market share. Have they forced Vonage to adapt, or has it managed to maintain its position? Section 3: Vonage's Current Offerings. Core services. What does Vonage offer today? Are they still primarily focused on residential VoIP, or have they expanded into other areas like business communications? New features. Have they introduced any new features or technologies to stay competitive? Discuss features like video conferencing, cloud PBX, and integration with popular business apps. Pricing comparison. Compare Vonage's pricing to other leading VoIP providers. Are they still cost-effective, or have their prices increased over time? Section 4. Is Vonage still relevant? Pros and cons. Weigh the pros and cons of using Vonage. Are there any specific advantages that make it stand out from the competition? What are the potential drawbacks or limitations? Target audience. Consider who might still find Vonage to be a good option. Is it suitable for individuals, small businesses, or large enterprises? Customer feedback. Share recent customer reviews or testimonials. Are people still satisfied with Vonage's service, or have there been any complaints? Section 5. Conclusion. Based on your analysis, do you think Vonage is still a viable option in today's market? Is it worth considering if you're looking for a VoIP service? Encourage viewers to share their own experiences with Vonage in the comments section. Ask if they're still using Vonage or if they've switched to a different provider. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.